what it looks like. Having walked or having waddled 125 Ks, I can honestly say I feel inspired and I feel awesome to have been part of Waddle for a Week. I'd say Old Mutual Finance has done a great job every year, or for the past 4 years they've been sponsoring Waddle for a Week.
Thank you, Old Mutual Finance!